Hi everyone, my name is Govind. Welcome to this tutorial. I'm working as a data analyst at Addend Analytics, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can set up the parameters in Power BI and allow users to switch axis of the chart using field parameters. So before there was no field parameters, so we used to handle this using DEX. Like we used to uh, I can say use switch function index and one disconnected table, and that disconnected table we use in slicer, and on the basis of the selection we write switch statement that dynamically fetches the user selection, and on the basis of that the chart updates, right? So this whole setup we had to do before, but with the introduction of field parameter we are no longer needed to use that. We can handle that using field parameters. So let me quickly share you how you can set up that. So I'm having one measure which is total sales, and I want to set up a dynamic chart that users can use to switch between different categories. Let's say I want users that he can see the distribution of sales on the basis of segment, on the basis of country, and on the basis of let's say any other thing, maybe a product, right? So what I can do, I can bind these three fields into a parameter. Let me show you. You have to come here at the modeling view, this option new parameter, you have to select it, and from here you have to select fields, right? Then you can give the name of the parameter whatever you want to give. I'm giving here parameter 1, right? And here in this section you have to drag whatever column you want to use in your chart to dynamically switch the axis, right? So here I'm using country, I'm also using product, and I'm also using segment. And make sure that you check this icon add slicer to this page. This will add up slicer on the report page of these parameters, right? So let's create. Okay, so once you create a parameter, you can see the automatically Power BI has written some DEX code, right? So you have not to worry about it for now. This is my parameter, right? And here on this bar chart in x-axis I can use parameter 1 column, right? And let's say I have here selected country, so you can see I'm able to see total sales by the country. Once I select product, so I can see total sales by product, like PSU, VTT, value, these are my product. And you can see the axis is also updating, like the title of the axis and the title of this visual, total sales by product and product. When I select segment, so you can see I can see total sales by segment, and here also the segment. So that's a great way to set up the dynamic bar chart, I would say, and it saves lots of time when it comes to setting it up, and also it saves a lot of space in our report page as well, right? So yes, follow for more such tutorials, subscribe to Addend Analytics, and if you are having any doubt, so please let me know into the comment section. Thank you, I will see you in next video.